Health benefits of eating walnuts. The following are some of the nutritional benefits of consuming walnuts. For maintaining healthy weight. Walnuts are rich in fiber, which helps in creating a satiating feeling after eating. When you feel full after eating walnuts, the tendency to binge on some other foods is greatly reduced. Thus, overweight and even normal weight individuals can benefit greatly from eating walnuts. For treating diabetes. Remedy for constipation. Like all nuts, walnuts are also recommended for constipation patients. This is because of the fiber content of the nut, which promotes proper digestion and bowel movement. Furthermore, digestive problems can be prevented by adding walnuts to your diet. For reducing inflammation. Many diseases such as cancer often spring from systemic inflammation in the body. These inflammations can be reduced by eating foods with anti-inflammatory properties like walnuts. Walnuts contain polyphenols and phytosterols which give the nut its anti-inflammatory properties. Cancer prevention. The risk of certain types of cancer like breast cancer can be reduced by eating walnuts. The anti-inflammatory properties of walnuts help to reduce inflammations that increase cancer risk, while the phenols and other antioxidants like beta-carotene also help in combating cancer cells. Promotes sleep. Walnuts promotes the release of melatonin, a sleep-inducing hormone, as well as contain the hormone. A deficiency of melatonin in the body can cause insomnia. Moreover, the omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts help to relieve stress, which is a great contributor to insomnia. Good for cardiovascular health. Eating raw walnuts helps to lower high blood pressure as well as bad cholesterol levels in the body. These two parameters, blood pressure and cholesterol, significantly affect the state of the heart. The consumption of this nut helps to regulate these parameters, thereby protecting the heart from cardiovascular diseases. Good for the skin. The presence of vitamin E and the B vitamins in walnuts comes into play here. Massaging the skin with walnut oil can do wonders. For one, the oil helps to keep the skin moisturized and makes it glow, while eating the nut can reduce the effects of aging on the skin as well as help in removing dark circles around the eyes. Good for the hair. Eating walnuts or using walnut oil topically on the hair can prevent some hair problems. For healthier and longer hair, regular application walnut oil is helpful due to the presence of polyunsaturated fatty acids, while dandruff can be prevented due to the moisturizing effect of the oil. Even more, some studies have suggested the use of walnut oil to prevent balding. Good for pregnant women. Expecting mothers can benefit from eating walnuts due to the B vitamins in the nut. B vitamins such as riboflavin, B2, and thiamine, B1, help in proper fetus development. If you love this video, please like and share your opinion in the comment box below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies and natural health tips.